Welcome to the world of Android gaming. Today, we're here to give you the scoop on the best live streaming app for Android gaming. Whether you're a casual gamer or a serious competitor, this app can take your gaming to the next level. The app we're talking about is called STREAMLABS. STREAMLABS is the premier app for streaming Android gaming on the go. It's easy to set up and comes with a plethora of features to help you stream like a pro. STREAMLABS offers a variety of features to make your streaming experience top-notch. With real-time chat, custom overlays, and my personal favorite feature to go live on multiple platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook at once, you can also take advantage of the app's integrated analytics to track your viewers and find out which games are most popular. You can also add widgets to your mobile stream, and your desktop settings will be synced across to mobile. And if that wasn't enough, STREAMLABS also has a rewards point system so you can earn points by streaming and redeem them for awesome perks like multi-stream, mobile themes, disconnect protection, and more. If you're looking for the best live streaming app for Android gaming, look no further than STREAMLABS. With its easy setup, powerful features, and integrated analytics, you can create a professional stream in no time. So what are you waiting for? Download STREAMLABS and start streaming today.